Goa Public Service Commission has initiated to recruit directly DySP post for Goa Police after a gap of 25 years. Approximately 2,300 applicants had applied for the post, but finally, in the pre-screening exam, only 1,866 applicants appeared, out of which only 90 have succeeded to qualify for the screening exam, out of which only 58 have outrightly passed the pre-screening exam, which is though a very poor show. But GPSC has decided to give 32 qualified applicants another chance to appear in the pre-screening exam, and it has scheduled on 5th November. It is interesting to see if GPSC succeeds to complete the recruitment to recruit 28 direct DYSPs. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.